In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Adobe Sign reminders. If you find yourself overwhelmed with constant reminders from Adobe Sign each time you send or receive a document, this guide will help you navigate the platform with ease and put you in control. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, just pick the one you're most comfortable with. Once it's open, type Adobe into the search bar and hit Enter to find the official Adobe website. This is where we're going to begin our journey. Once you've arrived at the Adobe website, the next step is to log in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password ready. If you have multiple Adobe accounts, be sure to select the right one that you primarily use for document signing. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to finding the specific document you're dealing with. Head over to the Documents tab. You'll see an option labeled Agreements. Click on this, and you'll then want to select In Progress. This section will show you all the documents that are currently awaiting actions. Scroll through until you locate the PDF document that you want to manage. Click on it to open. Once the document is open, you'll notice a right sidebar that appears automatically. This panel is incredibly useful as it gives you all sorts of options related to your document. Here, it will show details and additional settings you can adjust. Focus on finding the section labeled Reminders. It could be part of a drop-down menu or a separate icon, but it should be relatively easy to spot. This is the area where Adobe Sign schedules your alerts. You've reached the last action you'll need to take to stop those pesky reminders from coming through. Right next to each reminder, there's an icon that looks like a trash can or bin. Go ahead and click this to delete the reminder, effectively canceling any future notifications attached to this document. And there you have it. A simple process to free yourself from unnecessary alerts so you can focus on what truly matters. You're now in charge of when and how you wish to be reminded about your agreements. Thank you for watching this guide on stopping Adobe Sign reminders. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.